everyone, Laika here and welcome back again to LA Car Accessories. So for today's video is another car, another day na naman tayo. So today is we have this Porsche Turbo S and we'll be installing our Nano-Tech MAX 70. So these are the parts of the vehicle na lalagyan natin later ng tint and you will see the actual installation process kung gaano ka-professional at kapulido yung pagkakagawa. But before that, let's talk about this Nano-Tech MAX 70 film and kung bakit ito yung pinili ni client. Our MAX 70 is a clear film so it doesn't make your glass too dark. Meaning you still get very clear visibility especially when driving at night. But even if it's clear, it still has solar heat rejection and maximum infrared ray rejection of up to 99% which helps reduce the heat coming inside the vehicle. Aside from that, our tint is long-lasting and gives your car a more clean and sophisticated appearance. It is also signal-friendly so it's fully compatible with GPS, mobile signal, and other signal devices, meaning no signal interference. It also blocks up to 99% of harmful UV rays which helps protect both your skin and your car's interior from sun damage. And another good feature is that our film is scratch resistant, making it more durable and long-lasting. Here at LA Car Accessories, we offer a lot of options when it comes to car films. We have the Max series, Charcoal series, VIP, Clear Sky, Reflective, and lastly our Security series. Each film also comes with variety of shades so you can choose the right tint depending on your preference and driving needs. So if you want to know more about our films, visit LA Car Accessories near you. We have branches in Makati, Paranaque, Cebu, and Davao.